Pornhub put out that list as yours like the highest.
I think I'm number 8 on Pornhub right now, and I've been in the top
Great.
10 for like 2 years.
That's what I'm saying. So
Yeah.
at what point was Pornhub like everyone was like, this is the girl?
I think just a lot of my videos like went viral.
Do you remember the first one that you were like, oh shit, this is crushing?
Yeah, when a guy whistled in our ass.
That's gotta be.
Well,
I mean,
we all know the video of
uh-oh.
the washing machine, me getting stuck.
Are
in
you the
wash-
original?
Yeah.
You're the original?
Yeah, I
You're the
am
original getting
OG.
stuck in the washing
Yeah.
machine?
Yeah, and they've tried to
Now
redo
NFT
it
it.
so many times, and I'm like, yo, I
Change
think
your
it's
Instagram name
close
for Washing
to like
Machine Girl right
100
now.
million views. On,
Are you serious?
100 million?
Something like that.
We
Yeah.
said that earlier filming this sketch, and I was just like, I thought that was just like a porn meme in general.
They've
You're the
tried,
OG?
yeah, they've tried to redo it so many. It was the ripped yoga pants.